Today, let's check out this beautiful 1967 Ford Fairlane Ranchero. Sounds great, runs great, very, very dependable car. Well, welcome to Bator International. I'm very proud to offer up this gorgeous, let's call it a very light modified Ford Fairlane Ranchero. Now, the Fairlane was a one-year only model. They rolled over to just the Ranchero thereafter. And apparently the Fairlane and the Fairlane Ranchero shared the same front clip and the doors. And as you can see, this car is just in fabulous condition. It's only had 3 owners through its life, and the first 2 owners were father and son. And the son actually owned a body and paint shop, so this was the end product of taking his father's car and just doing a really, really nice job on it. The third owner, he went ahead and put a new engine in. It's a 351 crate motor with a C4, rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. It has less than 6,000 miles on it. Engine compartment's in very nice condition, as you can see. And a lot of the work was done by Rick Cressy over at Tri-C Engineering, and anything that Rick did is just absolutely bulletproof. Has a Ford Granada front clip with the non-power front disc brakes. Has a Mark IV monitor under the dash, AC unit. It blows very cold. Interior is gorgeous. Has a Mercury automatic floor shifter. Spare tire was moved to the back from behind the chairs, or the seats I should say, into the back of the bed itself. As you can see, it's just in gorgeous condition. The bench seat was replaced with the buckets, and it has let me see, it's got an 8-track tape player. It's never been wired up. And the doors, you can see all of the seams are perfect. Even has the build tag on the door. No rust whatsoever. And just listen to this door shut. Just absolutely perfect. Look at the back of the bed here. I don't think there's ever had one item in it. I mean, it is just in perfect condition. Also has the original black plate when it was brought into California, and it's registered on this plate, of course. Has a nice cover for the spare tire. And also the hood is louvered, but we do have another hood that's painted up non-louvered, so that will also go with the sail. And these are non-powered front disc brakes off of a Granada, so I guess that is the, let's say, the front brake of choice for the light resto mods, we'll call it. But again, I don't see a dent, I don't see a scratch. It's just a beautiful car. Tires are in great shape. And you'd be hard pressed to find one that's any nicer. This is just an absolutely gorgeous car. The grill's perfect. all the trim. I don't see any scratches, dents, anything. It's a great runner, very, very dependable. This would make a fantastic car for the weekend warrior, or if you want to take it around the block or the next state over, it'll do just fine. This is a very fine car. Well, you can check this beautiful car out on our website, batorinternational.com, or you can give me a call direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. While you're up on YouTube, go ahead and check out the rest of our videos. And hit the thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and also please subscribe to the channel. Always happy to have more friends checking out what we have to offer.